Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use Facebook dating without location. Start the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap Menu, located at the bottom right of the screen on 105 and the top right on Android. In the All Shortcuts section, look for Dating. If you don't see it, scroll down and tap See More. Then tap Dating. Consider your progress through the profile setup. You can specify details like your height, whether you have kids, and if you want to use location services so Facebook Dating can match you with other local people. Once you're done, tap Confirm to publish your profile. If you have any experience with other dating apps, you should be right at home in Facebook Dating. After you complete your profile, you can always get back to it from your shortcuts in the 3-line menu in the same way as when you set up your profile. Here is how to use the dating app. At the top of the page, you'll see 4 buttons: Profile, Liked You, Friendship, and Matches. There's also a gear icon in the top right. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.